So you want to make money online, you're into affiliate marketing, you're not getting the sales and the commission that you wish to get, and your business is not running as you want it to. Alright, what you need is some free traffic, but we need to put in the effort, and I'm going to help you do that. So we're going to go into my computer and see exactly how it works. This video is going to be a bit long and extensive, but be with me, stick with me for a while. I mean, some people take like 5 years, 10 years, 20 years to actually, get an education. And in this free YouTube video, you get the necessary steps and education that you need to start making money. So if it's 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours compared to the 15 years, 10 years, 5 years that some people have to go through, going to school, going to university, high school and everything, and in the end they might not even earn as much as you do in a month. We're talking about 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 if you stick with this for months, yeah? But you need to put in the effort. So let's go into my computer, let's hop in and do this together. Before we get started, just write a comment, let me know where you're from, and if you want to make money, just write "give me that money" before you start this video, because it's going to motivate you, it's going to motivate everyone here, and it's going to help us all reach the goal, especially you, because this video is about you. Alright, so let's get it going. If you don't know who I am, my name is Pete. I own a digital marketing agency in Frankfurt, Germany, and my passion, making money online, and I'm here to help you make money online as well. Let's get it started. Alright guys, so I hope you're all pumped and ready for this. So don't forget, this is about you, and that's why I want you to pick up your computer. Make sure at least you have a window open to follow up this course together. This is a free course, so let's do this together. All right, very important. And in the end, you're the one going to be making that money, and whatever your progress is, and if you start making sales later, come back to this video and drop a comment. But before we do anything, just write in the comment below, "give me that money." I'm pumped up, I'm excited. Alright, okay, let's do this. So we're here on Pinterest, and we'll check a few data, and we see here that most of the traffic is in the United States, Brazil, Canada, Alaska, India, China, Turkey, and so on. But our main focus is the United States, 43%. Alright, that's quite a lot. And the good thing about Pinterest is you can place links in your pins. So you can really promote your affiliate links, your website, your product, your YouTube videos, or whatever. So let's get started. I'm gonna register, and we'll go through the registration together. So let's sign up. So we'll sign up, you can use Google, but I'd say we'll just sign up with an email. So I'll put in my credentials, and then I will be back. So do this with me. Also put in your credentials, at least for your business. And if you do have a Pinterest account already, then jump to the next section. Alright, so after registering, you'll be made to pick up a few interesting topics. So just go along, and this has to be connected to your affiliate marketing niche. I'll just scroll through and look. For this, we're going to use the make money online niche, but I don't know what niche you're in. Just pick the topics that are related to your affiliate marketing product, and then we can do this together. Alright, so we're here in Pinterest, and if you just registered, just like I am, if you don't have a business account, I'd suggest you go from personal to business. So all you do is go here, unlock business tools, and then you can switch to business. So that is very important. So with the business tools, you get to show your profile picture, cover photos, videos, publishing tools, analytics, ad manager, audience insights, conversion insights, verified merchant, and so on. So we'll do that here, just like I am. Alright, so now you have your business account. Then what you can do now is upload a profile picture, put in your business name, website, and then pick your country, and so on. Alright, so I'll go through the steps. You go through and then we'll be back. All right, guys, awesome. So I spent the time editing my profile. I filled in all the details needed. So I guess you've done that too. And now it's very important to have a web page. So if you don't have a web page, a few videos on my YouTube channel explaining how to create videos here on my YouTube channel. And also I have playlists that is doing affiliate marketing without creating a web page or with creating a web page. I have infos about email lead generation as well. So do take a look at my playlist. So we'll go back to Pinterest. So if we take a look at the web page here, this is my web page. So you see I've already installed my lead generation in there so that I can start getting clients. For example, if you click on this link here or this image here, it takes you directly to a link generation software area. So so make sure that this is in place. Let's go back shortly. So at least make sure that you have some mechanism on your web page installed whereby you can start generating leads. So that means people come to your web page. So if someone is on Pinterest, saw your web page and is interested in what you have to offer, they'll come to your web page and then you can start collecting their emails. All right, so make sure that is in place. So we'll go back to Pinterest, and I had some issues uploading my profile image. So what I did is I installed Pinterest on my mobile phone, and with that it was pretty easy for me to upload a profile image. So if you have problems uploading a profile image, I suggest you install it on your mobile phone, and then you can easily install a profile image. Alright, so now in the next step, we're going to head over to ClickBank and pick a good product. Alright, we'll pick a high converting product. So here in ClickBank, we went right here into e-business and marketing. That is the make money online niche. Then we'll pick per gravity. Alright, so we'll pick this product right here. So this is a bit too low, $17, that's quite low. And 36, that's also pretty low. We'll go for this product right here, that's 167. And we'll check their product information. Let's check the affiliate page. Alright, so this is the product, and they have quite a lot of information. They have email swipes, graphics you can use. For example, when we go here, alright, so these are the graphics you can use. These are the email swipes as well. Let's click and check. Alright, so these are the graphics. As you see, when we go on my home page, you're going to see this is the graphic I also put in there. So I've worked on these already. So you can save all the information right here. Save it, just go here, Grandma Funnel, then you can download this, right? And then keep all the information needed. So just read through and pick best. But I think, I personally will go for if Grandma can do this, you can do this. So I think it's a very unique selling proposition. It's a very unique proposition, and I guess it will help you out. Just try this here. Grandma can do it sales video. Alright, so what I'll do now, so you go over here, click promote and get your hop link, right? I already have my hop link. So I'll get out of here and we'll be back in Pinterest. Alright, so now I encourage you to stick with me. Let's do this together. Now it's going to get very, very interesting. So now we're going to look out for pins. Yeah, so by creating pins, that's when we, that's how we get to sell our affiliate products. So this is the part where it gets interesting. Now we're going to come create pins. Alright, so let's go check this out. See, all these are pins that people have just created. It could be a video, it could be a picture. Alright, it could be any kind of animation. So we're just going to go search. Let's search here. So we into make money online. So we just go make money. So we could start with, so now we're looking for keywords. Alright, keywords, you can start. So now we're looking for keywords. So let's just start with make money at home, for example. Make money at home. Alright, so there we go. So these are pins created by other users. Very decent, very nicely made. So we need to put in some effort here. So let's go search, for example, make money at home is good. It's really good. At home legit, for example. So we can take a look at some of these pins, and recreate them. And it will certainly give us lots of ideas, pin ideas that we can come up with and create so as to get traffic for our affiliate marketing product. Just put in make money online, for example. Awesome. So I'll just make screenshots. So let's just click on one of these pins and check them out. +30 epic ways to make $50 a day from 9 jobs. Alright, so this is actually a link leading to another web page. There we go. So it means we can add our links here, right here. It's very, very nice. Let's just check the people that they're following. So you can choose to follow or check their followers. And you can at least follow like 10 to 20 people a day. But people who could be very interesting for your product. Alright, so that's it. Alright guys, so now we need an email software. And what this software does is it collects all the contact details from people from Pinterest. And the email software we're going to be using is Sendinblue. You can test it for free. You can have up to 300 emails per day and unlimited contacts. So you can get in so many contacts as you wish. But later on you can then upgrade. Alright, it has, you can create email campaigns. It's mobile friendly, it has quite a lot of templates. You can do SMS marketing, and you can also add a chat on your web page. So we'll go for this. If you want to know how it works and how it functions, just go to my YouTube channel and go to playlist. And in playlist, you can go to email and lead generation. You find quite a lot of videos in there in future. So we're not going to create the landing page right now. The landing page looks like this. So this is the landing page, and it has a very long link. So what we're going to do is we're going to go shorten the link, and we'll put that link in our Pinterest pin. So when people click on it, they'll be sent to this page. They put in their details, and then they get to see the product. So then we have their details, and we can always send them emails and sell other products, alright, to them. So what we'll do now, so I have a link shortening service myself, my own link shortening service. So when I put in link.link711.com, this is my link shortening service. So that long link, I'll paste it here. You see it's pretty long. So I'll paste it here and shorten it. I've already shortened it, so we'll go out. So this is a shortened version of the link. So I'll pick this shortened version. This is the shortened version. We'll enter. So this is our landing page now. Cool. So now we'll go to Pinterest, and yes, when we're here in Pinterest, you go to create pin, and then you should land on this page. From here, we're going to go to Canva and create a pin right there. Alright, so now we'll head over to Canva, and whilst in Canva, just type in Pinterest pin. So these are quite a lot of examples. Just pick one that will fit. I'd personally pick this. And now we can easily edit our pin. Alright, so we need an image. So I'll upload an image. I'll go here over to uploads and then upload media from device. Alright, so now I'll just go over to images, to uploads, and then I'll grab this image right here and put it in here. So you can make the image smaller or bigger as you wish. Alright, so we need a catchy title. I'll take this title here. 64-year-old grandma pockets commission first week. There we go. Paste it right here. Maybe a text color that matches my branding. So let's say this is my branding color. These are my branding colors. Let me just search shortly. Maybe I'll find my branding colors. Yeah, that's much better. Change the color as well. Good, awesome. Saying, hey, have you seen the grandma video? So this is a very catchy title. It's not much, but it's nice and precise, straight to the point. Alright, so I'll save this. I hope you also have your own pin made. Save it, and then let's post it on Pinterest. Alright, so let's finish up on Pinterest. So you click here to upload an image. Alright, so that's the image we just created. Then you add a title. Make sure that it has a strong keyword. At least it has your keywords in there. So our keyword is making money online. So we'll do this. Grandma Alright, so tell everyone about your pin. That's what we would say. Now we can add our destination link. Here we can add our destination link. This is our shortened link. And we're done. Alright, so I've filled in the details. That's it. And now I can publish. So you need to choose a board. I'd say make money online at home. So that's the board right here. Make money online. So publish. And there you go. The first Pinterest post is online. So I recommend you do this 3 to 6 times a day. Yes, these pins here, you need to work it. It takes quite a lot of work, but you know, it's going to pay off. If you want to make 10,000, 5,000, I don't know, whatever your goal is, but the more you do this, the better it gets for you. So stick with it. And yeah, do click on the videos that are flashing on your screen right now and learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. So consider liking, subscribing, and turning on your notification to get more videos like this, so you be the first to get to know all these strategies and start applying as soon as possible. Thank you very much.